It is just a 3-step process to create enough space to install Windows 10 on your system. Open File Explorer, then go to this PC, right click on C drive and select Properties. On this window, you have to click on Disk Cleanup. It will open new tab. Then check these all options. Then click on OK. Now select Delete Files. Wait for some time. Then click on OK. Again right click on C drive and select Properties. Then check this option. Then click on Apply. Then select second option and click on OK and select Continue. And just select Ignore All. It will take some time to complete its process. Then click on OK and close all windows. Go to search bar, type CMD, right click here and select Run as Administrator. Then select S. Now type these commands carefully, type prompt and hit enter. Then type sfc/scan file equal to c:/windows/system32/ieframe.dll and hit enter. Then type sfc/verify file equal to c:/windows/system32/ieframe.dll and hit enter. Now type ASSOC and hit enter. And finally type exit to close the command prompt. That's it guys, your problem will be solved, you're good to go.